this lesson we're going to learn about reports. And so the way that I want to teach you reports is to basically use the report wizard. There is a report design view, just like we've been working with query designs and with table designs and form designs. And the design view is the more customizable way of doing things. But when it comes to reports, I'm just going to show you how to create a report through the report wizard and how to do some summary options, and we're going to call that good enough. The design view for reports is a lot like the design view for the other features in Microsoft Access. Yes, I will want to delete that. Okay, so creating a report is very easy. Again, go to the Create tab on the ribbon and go over to Report Wizard. Click on Report Wizard. Then it's going to pop up the Report Wizard dialog box. And it's going to ask where I want my source data to come from. Well, for this one right here, this particular report, I want all my source data to come from the invoice table. Now, the only thing I'm not going to import is the contract number. So first I'll import everything, and then I'll send the contract number back over. Close that. Okay. Click Next. All right. Now, do I want to add any grouping? Grouping adds a hierarchy to the report, and I'll show you what that means. What I want to do is I want to group by invoice date. And so what it does first is it groups everything in the invoices by the date month. And then under that specific month, it's going to categorize these items right here. Click Next. Okay. What sort order and summary information do you want for detailed records? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort by the invoice amount. So I'm going to sort by the amount. Now, this little button right here is a very important button. This is called Summary Options. I'm going to click on Summary Options. And what I actually want to do is I want to add totals into my report. And so let me just go ahead and click on Sum for invoice amount. That's a total. Click on Average, Minimum, and Maximum. And it's going to display all of these as summary information in the report. I'm going to click on OK. It returns to this window. I click Next. Now, I can choose from different layouts, stepped, block, or outline. Let's just keep this as stepped. Let's hit Next. OK. Now, what style would I like? We could choose from a series of different styles right here. And so I'm going to choose, let's see, what's the one I want? I like that one, Flow. So I'll choose Flow. Now, when you name a report, you're going to begin the report with RPT and then an underscore for report. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this invoices underscore, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type in your last name. Now I click Finish, and the report is created. And mine decided to go into, there it goes. So here's my report. Remember, it's sorted by date month. So here's February 2010. The sum, the average, the min, the max. There's only one item there. Let's go down a little bit to when I have more items. Here's April 2010. Here's the different values. The sum is right here. The average, the minimum, the maximum. And so this is where my summary options end up when we click on summary options. Okay? So the first thing that I'm going to have you do is to create the invoices report exactly the way that I just created it here in this video tutorial.